ducklings, welcome back to my channel. It's Victoria Lovelace here, and I hope you guys are good. I am good as usual. And before I start with this video, it's gonna be about, I want to give you a little reminder to subscribe to my channel, because you don't want to miss all the new videos that is coming, because a lot of new videos is coming, because I'm just sitting here at home and I have a lot of time, and I think you guys also have that too. So go to the bell button and hit that, and so you don't miss any of my videos. So now we're gonna start with what this video is gonna be about. And I know I don't know if you guys probably seen that I have got a lot of comments on my videos. Some I have deleted, because usually I sometimes delete comments that I think are like too negative and don't have any constructive criticism, which I like from you guys. I like constructive criticism a lot, but usually comments that doesn't give me so much of constructive criticism I usually delete. So what I want to talk about in this video is about, a lot of guys have commented that I lisp, which I know I do that, and they think that I'm doing that because of my fangs. As you guys know, I have permanent vampire fangs, and you guys I think have seen the video. I did a video about that, my permanent vampire fangs, question and answering. I did a video kind of like a long time ago, but if you guys have seen that video, that one got a lot of comments and think I didn't do a right decision with putting vampire fangs, permanent vampire fangs, which I have had for almost 4 years now, and I love it. It's the best decision I made, and I love them. I always feel like pretty when I wake up every day, just to know that I have my permanent vampire fangs, and I don't think they do anything for me. I'm not bothering of them. They don't really. I feel I don't like is limited with talking, with eating, or anything with them. So I love them. But now I'm gonna explain why I lisp. It's not because of my fangs. And I think you guys, if you have seen my old videos that I didn't have my fangs, then I think you can hear that I was lisping. And especially you guys that have seen me in Sweden's Next Top Model 2 and Project Runway. That was before I had my vampire fangs, and I was lisping. I did that even back then. But why I'm doing that, I just want to give you an explanation, because as I was saying, a lot of you have asked why. And that's because of I have actually braces. You guys can't see them, but they are there. They are here behind my upper and lower teeth, and I have had braces for around 10 years of my life, which is a long time I had braces. So when I took out my braces, I decided to put permanent vampire fangs, because I have wanted that for years. And I have had that because I have, as you can see guys, my teeth are not really aligned, and I am born like that, so there is nothing I can do about it. My dentist said that if I want to, I can do a surgery, but that will be a big surgery, and they didn't really recommend me to do that, because it can be a lot of complications with that surgery. And so I was just accepting that my teeth is not gonna be aligned. They're never gonna be aligned as long as I'm not doing that surgery. But because they have already done whatever they can with braces. So I did something, then I was thinking, okay, I can do something positive with that instead. So I decided to do my permanent vampire fangs, because the permanent vampire fangs is usually easier if your teeth are not aligned. Because if your teeth are aligned, they're easily gonna break, because you are gonna bite them a lot. So for me, I'm kind of happy right now, after all, that my teeth are not aligned, so I can easily have my permanent vampire fangs, because I had never break them. They have last for 4 years right now. And they are made, as you guys know, as I was talking about in my video, of dental composites, and they can break if your teeth are not aligned. if they are aligned, which mine is not. So for me, I'm happy with that, and that's why I'm lisping, because my teeth are not aligned and not because of the fangs. And I have no problem with the fangs, and I'm very happy for the decision that I did my permanent vampire fangs. So I recommend you guys always, if you are interested in doing vampire fangs, you should go to my video there. I'm talking about that, and let me know if you guys have any questions about that, and I'm happy to answer those questions about permanent vampire fangs. So I think that was everything in this video, and I hope you guys like it. And then if you like this video, you should give it a thumbs up, because that makes me happy. And see you guys in the next video. Bye!